Escovitch mackerel. There peeps, right? Look.
Guess again, you're close.
Alright, let's watch a video like more, you know.
It's a lizard.
Yeah, peeps. They're on the roof again today. So mackerel, Escovitch it down today. So stay tuned. Check it. Show off a little water. Yeah, can show them how I go on them, my boss. See it. Yes, I rinse off them here now, peeps. Clean up the bone and thing out tight. So stay tuned. Yeah, peeps, you know, sir. That's some food for the poor mackerel we did get. So I gotta try like the experiment. No one found never know so mackerel versatile still. Yeah man. So you know what I mean when I just go and hit the subscription button. Yeah man, don't miss another adventure man. Yeah man. Take out the bone them. Shaman.
Yeah?
I catch piece of my rooftop farm tonight, you know. You know, say I have a little thing going up at the pepper, everybody.
Yeah, I'll show them that right now too.
Yeah, rooftop farm.
Look a rooftop farm now going separate. Soon can just come pick the ingredients out of the garden from the pot them, yeah? That one on him.
French time.
French time people. Yeah.
Hallelujah there, so.
Everything there.
Yeah, peeps. So look here when it done clean up. Yeah man, stay tuned now man. Catch a fire. Next time you see it, flour it up, get it in a pot. Get the fire started. Yeah. Why peeps from Shemar spoil a little fish on the riverside. So I'm done with the cooking.
Video man, video.
seize up the floor here now. As I say, peeps, are some food for poor mackerel you get. I got to try it one thing. I don't know if it's going to work, but I feel it will go on better than the fish pan the rock stone still. What else? Alright. Then this one on the floor. Yeah, people floor them, you know. Mackerel man, Escovitch down. Think a snapper when it done. Yeah man, people, just remember to subscribe to the channel. Thanks to who they are already a support and thing. Just continue support. Stay tuned. Yeah peeps, next time you see it, put it there now. Yeah peeps, so I'll go on now. Take the oil in my pot you know. Deep fry them mackerel there. As I say peeps, if you're not going to try this, you have to buy the mackerel in brine, not the one in the sauce. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah peeps. Clean up some onion and the pepper and the garlic. Thing the name. The carrot, yeah. Make the Escovitch sauce. Yeah man. Rinse them off and now my peeps. You see knife skills are people? Yeah man, I try it at home man. Knife skills. Knife kind of does still know people, but I get through with it. So I go on said with the people. Put a one pepper in the oil for go on. Yeah, this is the people. Yeah. So I go carrot. I run. Cut bonnet of your run. Come back here. So man, remember man, Escovitch mackerel.
You saw it here first.
Okay. First batch is come out. How it look? Mackerel done fry. So now, put the Escovitch sauce for it now. Vinegar. So I go on pips. Yeah man, Escovitch sauce for mackerel man. The peeps, how it look.
Wish you could have smelled this aroma when I kick up out of the pot, people. Oh God.
Yeah. Peeps. Little sauce ready now, so I get the pot off the fire, make it cool. See what I go on. Pot hot here, peeps. I just come up with a little napkin. Yeah. Cool down a bit, me just put it on the mackerel. Alright, look, peeps. Yeah, peeps. Garnish mackerel here now, you see me? So sometime in life, what all people say, use it and make it turn fashion, something like so. Yeah man, enough of we never know some mackerel could have come out that way. Yeah? Yeah man, just remember to like, share, subscribe and comment. Escovitch mackerel. Tell you what, go on here now. See it here, people. Active, man. See how it go.
Nah, tell
Pepper,
me no
wicked
line
youth.
up, people. See if it don't taste good. Tell us that this don't taste good there.
Pepper, wicked youth. Yeah, peep.
I'll tell you out of 10 people.
This needs to try it here.
I'm not worried if I don't have no fish in my fridge. Buy two in a mackerel, man.
There's a sandy fish. Sample.
Sample.
Yeah, man. So when I get this thing,
10 out of 10 people. I'll tell you. We prepare up some package now for some of the fans them. Cause some of them see it and I say, oh, them want to sample it. So, see, boss, I prepare them package, eh?
Yeah, man, stay tuned.
Hey.
You.
Man, cook.
Sandy, just tell me, taste and tell if you know. Man.
It's not sprat. Must it saltish? A French fry sardine? Escovitch
Yes, again.
Escovitch sardine?
Guess again, you're close.
Some sardine.
Alright, let's watch a video more you know.
It's a lizard.
Yeah. Escovitch.
Escovitch mackerel, it tastes good.
How much you get on a scale of 1 to 10?
Give me more, I'm tell you. Give me more.